Congratulations on starting your Invisalign journey. Today is your first step to a beautiful smile. It's completely normal to feel a little discomfort as you adjust to your new aligners, especially during the first few days. If you're feeling a little sore, you can take Tylenol as needed. You can also alternate between Tylenol and ibuprofen. We just ask that you don't stay on ibuprofen for more than a few days as it can slow down tooth movement. It's also normal to notice a slight change in your speech or a bit more saliva for the first few days as your mouth adjusts to the new aligners. Don't worry, this will quickly subside with consistent wear. We've given you a bag of Invisalign goodies. Let's go through it together and discuss how to use each thing properly. This is your Invisalign information box. It has an aligner case, crucial for keeping your aligners safe, and a sample of aligner cleaner to freshen them up. Next is your box of aligners. Each box will clearly display which aligners it contains, and every aligner bag inside the box is numbered so you can always know which set to wear next. You will change your aligners once a week. The best time to change them is when you brush your teeth before bed. So starting next week, when you go to brush your teeth before bed, remove tray 1, place it back into its baggie, and then start to wear tray 2. Continue to change each week in numerical order. Always place the previous set back into their individual baggies and keep them organized in the box. You'll never throw any out. This is important because if for any reason we need to go back to a previous aligner, having them saved will allow us that option and keep your treatment on track. We always recommend downloading the Invisalign app. Once you open the app, just scan the QR code found on each bag of aligners to automatically upload your total number of trays. From there, you can customize your treatment schedule, check out the wear time tracker, and keep notes on your progress. Also, in your bag, you'll find little tools like these called chewies. Chewies help fully seat your aligners onto your teeth. Use a chewy each and every time you put your aligners in. Make sure to chew all the way around, gently biting down on them to really push the aligners into place. Let's go over how to properly place and remove your aligners. This might feel a little awkward at first, but you'll get the hang of it quickly. To place your aligners in, take one aligner, line it up with your front 2 teeth first. The aligner with the bigger teeth will be your top liner. Then, using your thumbs or pointer fingers, gently push up all the way around until the liner is fully seated and you hear a click. Do the same for your bottom aligner. Never bite your aligners into place. This can damage them. Always use your fingers to seat them and then follow up with your chewy. You can place your chewy directly into your aligner case, so it's always available when you need it. Also, resist the urge to click your aligners on and off with your tongue. If they're not fully seated on your teeth, they're not working effectively. Here's how to remove your aligners. Use your pointer finger to gently loosen the aligner from the inside near your back teeth, closest to your tongue. Once loosened from one side, use 2 fingers to grip and pull your aligner completely out. You always want to take them off from the inside part closest to your tongue to avoid causing any damage to your attachments or potentially popping one off. Remember to put your aligners into their case when you take them out. This keeps them safe and clean and prevents them from accidentally being thrown out or lost. For your treatment to be most effective, you'll need to wear your aligners 22 hours a day, removing them only to eat, drink anything other than water, and for daily brushing and flossing. We recommend using an electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes clean more effectively and will not harm your attachments. And please continue seeing your general dentist every 6 months for your regular cleanings and checkups to maintain your overall oral health. Keeping your aligners clean is just as important as keeping your teeth clean. To clean your aligners, you'll take one flat in your hand, sprinkle a little bit of baking soda onto the aligner, then grab your toothbrush or a new toothbrush, some cold water, and scrub. Never use hot water as that can warp the plastic. You'll gently brush the inside and outside surfaces of your aligner with your toothbrush. Avoid gripping your aligners tightly while cleaning to prevent any cracks or breakage. There are also specialized aligner cleaner tablets available if you prefer those. You can also enhance your cleaning routine by using an ultrasonic cleaner. We particularly like the Zima brand for its effectiveness. Occasionally, an attachment, which is a small tooth-colored bump, might come off your tooth. Don't worry, this is not an emergency that needs to be fixed right away. Your aligner will still work effectively for a few days without that attachment. Just give us a call if this ever happens, and we will schedule a time to fix it, ensuring your treatment stays on schedule. Some patients have metal or ceramic buttons that are used for elastics. These can sometimes fall off as well. If a button falls off, simply call the office and we will schedule to have it fixed. In the meantime, stop elastic wear so that elastics are not being worn asymmetrically. If you accidentally lose or break an aligner, don't panic. Simply move on to your next tray and wear it for 2 weeks. Please be sure to also call our office as soon as possible to let us know. If you play contact sports like football, hockey, or lacrosse, always wear a mouth guard. Do not use a boil or bite mouth guard. It can damage your Invisalign trays and it will prevent your teeth from properly moving. Instead, use a braces-friendly option like Shock Doctor. You'll wear your mouth guard over your aligners when you're playing sports. By following these simple instructions, you are well on your way to achieving the smile you've always dreamed of with Invisalign. We're here to support you every step of this exciting journey. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our office. We're always happy to help.